Hey, Lucky! This video is going to be about you! Can you tell?
Now,
probably not, because his butt isn't my
I'm going to be
face.
checking the comments of this video. Remember the last video?
Yeah, last video, this dog.
Last video, by the way, this is the same day, but last video I told you guys to comment down so that you guys, to guess what next video is. Now, if you guess seeing your dog, then you are
correct.
Anything that has dog in it is correct. And so, we're going to talk about Lucky.
Yeah,
The dog.
my dog. Hey, leave the facts to me, boy. So, Lucky the retriever dog. Duck dog. Labrador dog.
You can tell that it's in the
Not really. We're like chewing. Hey, don't leave that alone. You gotta probably like, I don't know.
Okay, so
Leave it. It has Lucky.
I've known the neighbors for 3 years.
Leave it. No, what are you doing? So Lucky, he's a really silly dog.
Yes.
He has seen him when he was a puppy. Ever since I got him, he does stick alone.
3 years ago. That?
What are you doing?
That's funny.
You're probably gonna crash into the fence. Oh, what? How did you curve at last second? That was weird. Okay. So hey, Lucky, the dog.
No.
He likes to get sticks. He likes to chew on sticks randomly.
He has dark white teeth, brown eyes, and black fur.
Yeah. And as you can see, he loves sticks.
Yes.
He'll just randomly, if he finds a stick, he will, and it's like he likes it. He'll just randomly like pick it up and like start to chew on it and destroy it. Yeah. Sometimes he just won't give it back to you if he loves it. And that's what he's doing right now.
By the way, we have a dog. Guess that dog's name, and I will comment. You are right.
Hint: it's a girl.
It is.
He's a silly dog.
Another hint: there's a P. That's all.
That's all.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so Lucky, as you can see, he's a very silly dog.
Runs very fast.
Extremely. He likes to run away.
Grows
That's why we got a
very
fence. So they can't run away.
Grows very
Bad
fast.
dog.
He's a really good dog.
No, I'm just kidding, Lucky. You're a good dog.
Not to
Okay.
hurt you.
No.
Well, who cares?
Okay.
Lucky. By the way, last video in the section down below, I said everything you needed to know in order for me to comment to you and say you are correct what the next video is. And if you subscribe, I will subscribe to your channel.
If you have one.
If you have. And then subscribe because we are going to check.
Yeah.
If you
Dun
subscribe.
dun dun. So, Lucky, as you can see, he already basically destroyed it. Hey, Lucky, come. You want to do a trick for me? Yeah? Oh, what is he doing? That's weird. Okay. Well, right now, Sebs is going to take over. I'm going to go get my,
Longboard.
No, not my longboard. Oh, okay, this is hurting a lot. Here, take it. Oh my gosh, this is hurting.
Okay,
My fingers hurt. Okay. See you guys. This hurts.
Okay, by the way, this is a filmer.
Yeah.
Her name is Ariana. So, what is Lucky doing? Okay, so Lucky is a very strong dog. Hey, Lucky. Hey, Lucky.
I'm in karate.
I'm in gymnastics. So, did you see that glimpse of his teeth? Yeah, look at that. That's his teeth.
Oh my gosh, I just broke this.
Wow.
I just broke the wheel.
Oh no.
What the?
Oh. Well,
Frisbee.
since now this is going crazy. Lucky is going crazy with that thing. I am going to ride this thing. I'll show you it when we're up the hill. I'll be right back. Oh, darn it. Well, I'll be right back. Hold on. There.
I'm in the house too.
So, I'm going to be riding in that.
No,
Fine. That took me... Okay. So, anyways, I'll be riding in this one. Lucky is probably going to be chasing us.
I'm recording you, okay?
No, I'm going to be filming myself ride on this. No, I'm going to do this.
No, I'm going to film you.
No.
That's just my sister. And she's my sister.
Hold on. I just want to do this because this is going to be fun. So anyways, I'm going to do this. Okay, ready?
Ready? I'm going to push you. Ready?
Set,
Go!
go! Whoa! Oh, that's going slow. Oh.
Okay, he's back. Okay, my sister's back. She's back. She's here. Well, as you can see, I'm wearing these.
Okay.
Hey, I'm going first. Hey, that was mine.
Don't do that. Okay, fine.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Well, I am savage. Well, since this video is about Lucky the dog, we're going to do something fun with him. So, let's see what we're going to do, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. Record me going down. Okay.
Go!
Okay. Oh. Okay, go, Sabs. Let's see if he falls off. Okay, since this video is about Lucky and Lucky's just chewing, just say he's just a weird dog. He's just a weird dog. Hi, Lucky. Want a pet? No, I want to pet you. You're too cute. You did? There was random dog poop. I pick up the dog poop here, but Lucky, he poops like crazy. Lucky poops like crazy.
Dad, come on. Let's get it right.
That is. Oh!
No.
Okay. That. Oh, that is. I can smell it. I'm walking away. Walking away. Hi. You want to play some frisbee, boy?
Hey,
What's that tail?
Hey, you too.
Oh, just wait. Just wait. See if Lucky wants to. Did he land in the poop? Oh. Lucky, go chase this frisbee. Go chase it. Oh, good.
100% I did not land.
Yeah. That dog is having some fun.
See? Nothing. Ready? See? Nothing.
Okay.
Hey.
Let's go. Oh!
Here, we're gonna have Rex. He's gonna use that one and I'm gonna use this one. Oh, yeah.
There's a random car right there.
I recorded you.
You can hear the sound. That's just a speed racer. Oh, wow. Just because I was recording, you don't need to like slow it down. You can just keep with the roll and then I'll catch you. Okay?
I guess now if you did detailed comments, I will. If you did detailed comments and like exactly what we did, don't worry, don't mind. If you did detailed comments, then we will like that comment and you'll still subscribe to your channel.
As you can tell from the name of our video, Lucky and Fails, they're just gonna do some fails probably. I mean, most likely. Lucky, he does not know how to catch a frisbee yet, and hopefully in the future we will teach him. those little carts are just, I don't know where they came from, but they just came here. Oh wait, I used to have that pink one right there, and then this is my sister, my other sisters, and we're just using it. Lucky's just like, what the heck is happening? He's just playing with a frisbee that he doesn't know how to catch. And oh, I know what we should do for our third video or our fourth video. We are going to make a video of a challenge of beans. And you know the beans that I'm talking about, huh, Dominic?
What? Oh!
I hate those beans.
Oh my
Taste like boogers. Okay. Remember that I tasted the barf one? That one was disgusting. Hey, Sebs. Hey, Sebs. What are those beans called? Those they're like jelly beans or something? But they're like, huh?
Try not to laugh, challenge?
Not really, maybe. Maybe I try not to laugh.
Try not to laugh.
But, we're going to end this video now. And, yes. And, hey, Donnie, do you know what those, beans are called? What are those called?
Bean Boozled?
Yeah, Bean Boozled. We're going to play that. Yeah?
Do you have them?
We used to.
You still have them?
Yeah, but we're going to still buy probably some for this channel. It's all for you guys. And link. Nah, not link. Oh, what? It's bleeding, you think?
No, it's not bleeding. It hurts a lot.
Oh.
Well, this foot might.
Well,
We'll see.
we comment down below what video we should do next. But
Probably gonna upload 3 videos today. Sorry, I'm rushing.
also, sorry if the quality isn't that really good. It's just a tablet. Sorry, guys. Oh, what is that gonna happen here? Yeah, sorry that our videos are bad, but just please comment down below.
My finger was here and it smashed. Okay, well, see you next video. See ya.
It's gonna probably be about Bean Boozled and our reactions to it.
Okay.
So
Bye.
So just remember, subscribe to.
my gosh.
What the heck? How does that happen?
I have no idea.
Well, so happy Thanksgiving all to you guys tomorrow. Whenever you're watching this video. And just please subscribe. We're just kids.
Don't worry. We're not swearing.
Yeah, we're not going to swear. We don't
We're
swear.
good.
Yeah, at least now. Ha 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 ha.
Well, that's okay.
Yeah.
Well, I will see you in the next video. Okay, wait. Our outro. This is.
Oh
I know this is gonna be dumb. Our outro is gonna be this, I guess. Bye. Oh no.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye, guys. I can't push the button. How do you do this thing? I can't push the button. My gloves. Okay, bye, guys.